in sunny Budapest. We're celebrating Europe Day, the birth of the European Union, and it's a great day to connect with citizens and tell them all about what the EIT does.
I really love Europe Day here because it's amazing celebration and great collaboration between institutions. You can easily find out about what is going on in this country, in Hungary, or in other countries of European Union. You can find the partners, maybe future job, maybe educational opportunities, get some small gifts. So it's really nice to be here.